Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a safe starting point. Back up the registry by choosing File Export and Save a reg file to a known folder. Once done, open Run with Windows +R, type regedit and press Enter. Respond to the UAC prompt to allow changes. Make sure to pick the correct hive, H-key local machine for system-wide settings versus H-key current user for your profile, because modifying the wrong key can affect unrelated features. You will search precisely. Press Ctrl+F or use Edit Find to locate a key, value, or data string so you avoid wandering. When you find the target, right-click the key to export before changing it. This gives you a rollback file. Then right-click values to modify their data, or choose New to add a word or string value. Make sure to match value types and use exact data formats, because incorrect types will prevent Windows from reading your setting. After editing, close Registry Editor and restart the affected application or reboot Windows so the change takes effect. Some settings apply immediately, but others need a restart. Once done, verify behavior, and if something goes wrong, import the previously exported reg file to restore the original state. If import fails or Windows is unstable, boot into safe mode and perform a system restore or use the exported reg in recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.